Hi, I'm Ajib, and this is Abse. Abse is a GitHub-powered strategy game where a developer's public coding history becomes the foundation of their in-game character. Instead of using follower counts or popularity, apps use public GitHub activity, repository history, and programming languages as gameplay signals. Beyond science apps, the authentication is powered by base 44. So I'm signing with Google, and after this is going to take me to the inflow where I'm going to import my GitHub profile, then forge my account. So building a public profile into the forge. I think why it's not going is because I've generated this before. Let's go to GitHub Watch. I know that's why it didn't show. So it shows that total available forge point is 116. So these change signals are converted into gameplay as such as force, guard, momentum, and precision and insights. So here it is calculation traces on here flame and strong size. So shape architects. These are the attributes latest. These attributes are gotten from the repo based on scoring and ranking. That was me like that was derived to this place. And this say verify potential for force is 26. So I'm going to increase this to 20. Let me put it in 25. The guide is going to be in 20. Since it's 24, I can do here. And the momentum, let me put it in 22. Precision to 20. Why this is the this potential is insight is 17. So enter depth. So now let's play the game. From here, the architect enter the depth, combat reward, and progression are resolved through base 44 backend function rather than being trusted to the browser. Attack. See, I've corrected everything. Stabilize, attack again, and that's it. Abse turns a developer public work into playable identity and gives the history a new purpose beyond the standard portfolio. The app is built with React, TypeScript, files, and base 44 for authentication, data, backend function, and deployment. Thank you.